on. Silly. Hello there. ಅಕಡೆ ನೋಡೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂತು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೋ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay, so we just reached our farm which we are coming to, and she's still in the same mood. New place. Okay, so this is our farm. We haven't been here for a long time. It's supposed to be cleaner, so let's try and go a little inside. Sorry, she's literally just walking me. Literally. Up there. And then oh, look, cow. Wait, let me just zoom in a little. There, you saw that? Okay. I don't know, let's see. Okay. Where do you want to go, Siri? Yeah, so this is it. We're planning on making a swing there and all that. We might make something in the holidays or whatever. Not right now. Yeah, one sec. Let's give Siri water. She hasn't had for a long time after all the barking. So, come on. No, don't step on the cow. Siri! Come on. Go. Why is the cow staring at us so much? Alle. Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess this is the boundary then.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬೇಲಿ?
Ma ಬೇಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ಫೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಬಿಡು ಅವಳನ್ನ.
Drink water. Siri, come on. Siri.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಜೋಪಾನ.
ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Siri.
ಬೇಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡಿ.
Siri. ಅಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಜೋಪಾನ ಹಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾಯಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Siri, water.
ಸಿರಿ ತಗೋ. ಸಿರಿ ಬಾ.
Don't do it, Siri.
ತಗೋ.
Siri.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Siri, don't do that. Okay, go.
ತಗೋ.
There you go. Ma, can you?
ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ
Okay. Ma, did you hear that?
ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕು.
ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡು.
I'm letting her. ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕು ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
Ow, darn.
ಉದಾ ಕುಡಿ.
Ma, we should clean this place up, Amma. Okay.
We should come often, we can do something.
Yeah. I'm scared of snakes here. I mean, look at this place. Do you see anything, Amma? Do you? It's like we're the only poor people in the area. Oh no.
ಕುಡಿಯತ್ತೆ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Oh no. ಕವ್ವ
ಇದು ಹೀಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯ್ದು? ಹೌದು ಡೈಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
we wanted to make a swing in that tree.
ಹೌದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವರು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾರೆ.
And yeah, that's almost our farm. I mean, it's that land. Where are you going now? We're going to go to the toilet city. So she just gets me into the middle of the road and oh no, not near the bushes. See, come on. Yeah, it's pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching. That's okay. So I felt that was fun. I hope you guys did too. And anyway, I'm new to YouTube and I want to try and make this channel a vlog channel. So just let me know in the comments below if you want it to be vlog or I was first planning on making it a random channel or something. But I've been inspired by many other people and all that. So just let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, please like, subscribe. Peace.